Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have an electric salt and pepper double grinder thingy. I'll show you what we're talking about here and show you what it is. So look at how cute this is. It's like got little bears on it. Okay, let's see. Let's open it up. So this is going to give us our salt and pepper in there. It looks like we'll fill it through there, and S will be salt, which is going to be there, and P will be pepper there. And it looks like it's rechargeable up through there. So we'll just be able to put it over our food and do that. So let's go ahead and put salt in the salt section. I have some Himalayan pink salt that we'll be putting in there. Not sure how much to put in. I'll just put in about half this bottle and then close that up. Is that going? Okay, and then I'll do the same. I have just some black peppercorns here to stick into the other side. Oh, I think I might have put, nope, I didn't put too many. I can still close it. Okay, there we go. So there we have peppercorns and we have that. And it looks like we have adjustments here for how coarse it will be and how non-coarse it will be. And let me see, let me put it on, let me get a paper towel here. And I will show you guys what we get. So let's see, let's try the P. So let's see what happens when I push P. Look at that, it's grinding up my peppercorns. And let's see if I go and maybe make it a little tighter. And look at that, it also has a light as it's doing it. So there's that. And then let's try the salt. And look at that, we get salt. I don't know if you guys can see the salt coming out, but that's coming out fast. But look how cool that is. So now we have a cool looking Game Bear Seoul, South Korea, I guess it says on there. And it is a salt and pepper shaker. So cool, so that will stay out here looking all pretty. I have a base for it, I guess. I can stick it in there. So in case somebody pushes the button, it won't all just come out. So I will put that on my counter there. Look at that, how nice is that? I have a instructions, I guess, which I think we figured out already. Wow, look at that, it's all in Chinese. There's instructions in English. Pretty much we got it all correct, I believe. And then we have a charging cable and a little cleaning tool, which I will just stick in one of my drawers. So we are set to go. So really nice, looks good, thumbs up.